Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. As you can see, everything is on top, was all done now. Everything is back together. We got new gaskets here, all back together now. New breather lines here. That one there that goes to here. We reuse whatever we can, and the only thing we changed, most of the thing we changed, just the gaskets and a brand new thermostat. We had to change the thermostat because once you take it out, they break in half, and the spring will just stretch off. All right, let's have a look. We spent a lot of time trying to clean this. See that? Let's have a look at how dirty these things are. All right, that's very dirty. The intake port. This must be done because if you don't do it, then this can create a problem in the future. Have a look inside there. The little rocks there. All right. See the little rocks inside here. There. Stay there. Look inside there. See how bad that is? It takes a while to clean this. This intake manifold has never been taken off to clean anything. Have a look inside on this side here. And this is us already cleaning it. And we're trying to get everything out. It takes a long time to do just one port. And this is 8. That must be done. If you don't do it now, it's going to create problem in the future, and then you get car running rough from the future. And then the engine light will come on and you start changing coils and all this stuff here for nothing, and the car still runs rough, and it's because of this. Extreme case, they start running rough. Let's have a look at the one that we cleaned already. This is the one that we cleaned. Have a look inside there. See the port, how clean it is? That is what we're talking about. So the ports are inside here. Let me try to get the good focus. Let me go slowly. See inside here, the port is so clean compared to the one that we're doing now, which is that one there. See that? That's really bad. Go back one more time. So we're cleaning the ports to all look like that. So it's going to be 8 of them, 8 ports, 2 valves per port. We're going to clean it, and once we finish, and then we'll put everything back together. But the coolant leaks all done, all sorted out here. All right, so it's very important to clean the ports every time you take the intake manifold off of a direct fuel injection car. At the same time, I don't think this turbo on this side here was boosting properly, because the boost solenoid control vacuum line was broken right off. So we had to actually repair that yesterday. So we took the wheel arch off and the wheel. Let's go inside, have a look. You look closely there. See the little blue line there? The little blue line there. See that part has got a little plastic white connector there? That was broken off, rubbing on that was rubbing on the belt, and completely broken off. So this car never had a proper boost. So now we're going to pretty much, I'll show you what I mean on top. Someone from before broke that bolt inside here. See that bolt? That bolt there was broken off before. That's the one that holds this one on. Like this, was already broken off. So we're gonna just grab in a little piece. So we took that bolt off yesterday. That's what I mean. Got it off. So now we're gonna put another one in there to hold the boost solenoid properly. So yeah, so that's what I mean. So we're gonna put everything back together, and then we'll go from there. We're gonna make sure the turbo pipes are tight on this side here because everything is off, and then we'll go from there. All right. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.